this problem here, it says given T2 is 13, T5 is 22, find term 20. Basically, what you have to do is you have to use the arithmetic sequence formula and solve it as a system for the unknowns so that you can eventually find T20. For example, T2, using the formula, equals T1, which I do not know, plus n minus 1. So I'm going to do 2 minus 1 times some d that I don't know. And then I know that T2 equals 13. All right, let's do the same thing for T5. So for that one, I'm going to do T sub 1 plus 5 minus 1 times d, and T5 equals 22. So I have this little system here, and I'm going to solve it. I'll be able to find T1 and d. Watch what happens. First, I'm going to rewrite this. T1 plus 2 minus 1 is 1. 1d equals 13. This one, T1 plus 4d equals 22. I could add these. Nothing disappears. What if I subtract the first one, the top one, from the bottom one? T1 minus T1, 0. 4d minus 1d, 3d. 22, take away 13, is 9. Right? Now, solve this for d, so d equals 3. Once I have d, I can go back and try and find T1. So let's take this original. T1 plus 1d, which now is 3, equals 13. So T1 equals 10. Now I have T1 and d. So I could solve for T20. First of all, I'm going to write an equation for this sequence. The equation for this sequence, T sub n, equals T1, which is 10, plus n minus 1 times the d, which is 3. Let's simplify that. Tn equals 10 plus 3n minus 3. You with me? Oh, I guess you can't see that here. Let's fix it a little bit. Give a little more room. So now, Tn equals 10 plus 3n minus 3. I distributed the 3. So can I say that Tn equals 7 plus 3n? Now, that's a cool equation that I can use to find T20. You know how I'd find T20? Plug it in. So T20 equals 7 plus 3 times 20. So T20 is 67. How about that? You can do that stuff. All right, the next part. Insert 3 means between 18 and 54. Now remember, we're talking arithmetic sequence, so they're talking arithmetic means here. That means 3 numbers between 18 and 54. Well, let's set up what it would look like. I'd start with 18, then I'd have a number, another number, another number, 3 numbers that I don't know, and then I would get to 54. Now these are much easier than you think. Remember, we're talking arithmetic sequence. How do I get from this term to this term? Do you know? I add, but I don't know what to add. So let's call it x. So this term becomes 18 plus x. How do I get from this term to this term? Well, what did I add for the first one? X. So add x again. What's 18 plus x again? I hope you said 18 plus 2x. Okay, how do I get from here to here? Add x again. 18 plus 3x. All right, one more jump. How do I get from here to here? Add x again. 18 plus 4x. Oh, but I know that one. It's 54. There's my equation. 18 plus 4x equals 54. What do I do next? Do you know? So here we go. Solve this. Subtract 18 from both sides. What do you get? 4x equals 36. Divide by 4. X equals 9, right? So, what's 18 plus 9? 27. 27 plus 9. 36. 36 plus 9. 45. 45 plus 9. Better be 54. If it isn't, I made a mistake. Go back and check your arithmetic. It's easy to make a silly mistake on these, and they're simple problems, so do them right. Good luck with the homework.